हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मोरेसर अकॅडमी. मित्रांनो, मोरेसर अकॅडमीमध्ये मी शुभांगी बागुल आपले स्वागत करते. मोरेसर अकॅडमी या यूट्यूब चॅनलच्या माध्यमातून आपण 10th इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप, चॅट, मार्जिन क्वेश्चन अभ्यासणार आहोत. यासाठी मी चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करून बाजूची बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करून ऑल नोटिफिकेशन सिलेक्ट करा. लेट स्टार्ट 10th इंग्लिश 1.2 An encounter of a special kind, warming up, chit chat and margin question. मित्रांनो, सुरुवात करूया आपल्या वॉर्मिंग अप, चिट चॅट अँड मार्जिन क्वेश्चन. सर्वात पहिले वॉर्मिंग अप, चिट चॅट. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. व्हॉट डू यू सी इन द पिक्चर्स? आन्सर: अ स्मॉल गर्ल carrying a puppy in tub placed on her and walking through a flooded river. What do you think the girl is trying to do and why? Sir, the girl is trying to save the dog, but it may drown in the food. Third, if you were in the place of that girl, what? Answer: I would try my best to save the dog. I will try my best to save the dog. Next, do you think she will become successful in her mission? Answer: yes, I think she will become successful in her mission. Next, match the appropriate heading with the images. Answer: A, my favorite pastime. B, prose in my book. C, our luxurious bungalows. And last, what a commission. Let's start margin question. First, what was the profession of writer's father? Answer: the writer's father was a medical profession working of a private company. Again, describe the campus where the writer's family. Sir, the campus where the writer family lived was large. Small bungalows were built up the official club next to boundary wall of the writer's garden. The campus was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and many big. Next, how did family relax after lunch? Sir, after hearty lunch, the writer parents and younger sister lay down for an afternoon nap. Writers tell down the next. What week custom practice? Answer: according to a custom practiced by animal who live in groups, a dominant male usually does not allow another male baby or adult to survive within it. Next, what attempt help the baby langur to? Answer: the writer splashed cold water on the baby langur. The writer also offered him spell banana. This attempt helped the baby langur to. Next, when did baby langur finally find comfort? The baby langur finally find comfort in mother's arms. And next, what truth about animal-human relationship did this insight reveal to the narrator? The insight revealed narrator that the species communication and mutual trust in reality. The narrator also realized that food was not the only means of communication. What did the mother seem to convey to narrator? The tried to convey her gratitude to the narrator. So friends, अशा पद्धतीने आपण an encounter of special kindचा वॉर्मिंग अप, चिट चॅट अँड मार्जिन क्वेश्चन स्टडी केलेला आहे. आशा करते मित्रांनो मला हा आवडला असेल. तो आवडल्यास जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांना शेअर करा. अँड थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग.